Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn characteristics of wants. First point, unlimited wants. Human wants are unlimited. A man is full of desires. If one want is satisfied, another want will crop up or arises. There is no end to human wants. That's why we are calling human wants are unlimited. Wants are complementary. That means to satisfy a particular want, we have to depend on other commodities at the same time. For example, you want tea. To prepare tea, we have to depend on sugar, milk, tea powder, etc. These commodities are called complementary commodities to satisfy your want of tea. Wants are substitution. What do you mean substitution? In place of one good, you are using or satisfying with other good. A particular want can be satisfied by different ways. You can substitute one good for another good. For example, a person is hungry. How to satisfy this person? By taking meals or bread or fruits, etc. Any one of these can satisfy his want. That's why wants are having substitution. In place of one good, we can use other good to satisfy human wants. Wants are recurring. What do you mean recurring? Recurring means repeating. Wants are repeated. They appear again and again, even though they satisfied completely at a particular point of time. Some wants we have to take again and again. Next, wants turn into habits. A particular want is satisfied continuously for some time, it may become habit for you. Example, wine, smoking, etc. If you are satisfying with these examples continuously for some time, these will become your habits. Sixth one, a particular want is satiable. What do you mean satiable? Satiable means satisfaction. A particular want we can satisfy a particular point of time, but we cannot satisfy all of our wants at a point of time. Yeah, we know man cannot satisfy all his wants a particular point of time, but we can satisfy single want at particular point of time. Example, if you want a mobile, yes, you can purchase that mobile and you can satisfy with that mobile at particular point of time, but at that particular point of time you cannot satisfy other wants. Competition. Wants are unlimited, but our resources are limited. What do you mean resources here? You take one of the examples of resources is money. Money is also one kind of resource. Yes, as a human being I have unlimited wants, but I have limited money. With this limited money I cannot purchase all my wants, but how to satisfy? That's why your wants or my wants are getting competition. My wants are asking you satisfy this one first or that one first. They are getting competition. But based on preference, which is important and urgent for your life, you are going to satisfy that particular want first, then go to second. Based on that you are giving preference whenever your wants are getting competition. Eighth one, wants vary with time, place and person. Yes, wants are going to change from time to time, place to place and person to person also. Vary, what do you mean vary? VARY. Vary means changes. Your wants are going to change based on the time, based on place, based on person to person.